Welcome back to Maverick How To. Today's short video here, we're going to show how we install the light here. It's bought off of Amazon for interior, exterior applications, solar powered. In which case I'm going to put it in the shed. Hook it up so we have some light in here if you ever need it, and don't have to run electricity, which is nice. So we'll see how it works out here. Okay, so what I did is I took a drill bit like so, and I drilled the hole up through the truss there and put an eye hook in. That is what we will hang the light off of. Like so. Just like that. From where I drilled the hole in the soffit, ran the wire up through, and I'll connect it up there, like so. Okay, the next thing that I got here is these straps, 1/4 inch. You can use them to hold the wire up there, make a nicer finish, combined with some of these short screws that hold them in place. I'd rather see a nice little finish to the job here than it be a sloppy wire hanging out on the ceiling. Make it safer you don't catch anything. Rip the wire down, that wouldn't be very productive. Okay, with what's left of the cord, wire, we can just wrap it up here. I have a tie here that actually came with it, so we'll just tie it right up and put it in here. As you can see, I drilled the hole up and through, fastened the solar panel, which actually works, as you've seen the light turn on inside. Now I'm going to tie the wire back with one strap and then fill the hole with some caulking to keep all the bugs and critters out. Just picked up a standard tube of paintable exterior silicone, Dynaflex Ultra. Color doesn't matter. Just going to fill the hole up there. That'll take care of the critters from getting in. And then we'll see about that remote, how it's working. Okay, let's see how the handy dandy remote works here. On, off. Also has 5 different operation modes, but for what I need it for, if you need to turn a light on and for some reason at night here, you know, you're not walking around with a flashlight. So appears to work pretty good. Just a simple little solar powered light. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching Maverick How 2, and have a great day.